Welcome to Algo at AI Euro 2024. This match of Group F is between Czechia and Georgia. Portugal is a strong favorite of this group, so the other three teams will be looking to win these matches between them to finish second in the group. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff. Georgia attacking first and they have scored. A simple goal to the side of the goal. It's 1-0 for Georgia. Czechia on the attack, but there's a loose ball here, and guys, the balls are on the other side, not this side. What are you doing? To get the ball. Georgia is the first to pick up the ball and pushing it into Czechia's goal. Will it win it? It will, and thanks to the Czechia defender. Well, it's 2-0 up for Georgia, and almost making it 3-0 with a long shot. Czechia pushing the ball through. Will it? And it will. Somehow they manage to push through the two defenders. It's 2-1 for Georgia. Oh, Czechia has put one back. Looks like an own goal from Georgia. And it's 2-all. Oh, dangerous ball there. And it went in. Somehow Czechia got it through the line. And it's 3-2 for Czechia. Missed to clear it, and failed to clear it, and a goal for the other side. It's 3-all. And a nice goal there from Georgia. Off the whistle, straight into goal. (4-3) for Georgia. And another quick one from Georgia. 2 touches this time, off the whistle, 1 touch, second touch into goal. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA World Ranking, the more games its AI gets to train on. Czechia is ranked 39th and their AI is trained on 1.1 million games. Georgia is 75 and its AI gets to train on 0.95 million games. Both these numbers are fairly low, and the model is a bit unpredictable, so anything can happen. And we join the game back at 5-3 for Georgia and almost hitting goal. But Czechia has found one back on the other side. Nice angle shot into goal. 5-4 for Georgia. A loose ball. Czechia is the first to pick it up and almost scoring there. Georgia now back on the attack and dribbled in by the Czechia defender. It's 6-4 for Georgia. Open goal, loose ball, 1 tap into goal. An easy one for the Czechia striker. 6-5 for Georgia. And a long shot from Georgia into the goal. Beautiful. 7-5 for Georgia. Another open goal, loose ball, easy shot for the Czechia striker. 1 tap and it's in. And it's a close 7-6 for Georgia. Czechia on the attack. But a nice counter-attack from Georgia. A shot from the midway point into goal. And we have 8-6 for Georgia and almost scoring. Oh, and a terrible own goal there from the Georgia defender into its own goal. And it's 8-7 for Georgia. Still very close. And they're playing it very tight. Georgia trying to push the ball in. But the Chechen defender did it for them. They need to stop scoring these own goals. It's 9-7 for Georgia. Game point. Georgia on the attack and missing the goal, but the Czechia defender sealed the game for Georgia with a terrible own goal. This was a close game throughout. Georgia led at the beginning and managed to keep that lead all the way to the end. And the game ends with Georgia 10, Czechia 7. After the first set of games, this is how the table of Group F looks like. Portugal and Georgia on top, Czechia and Turkey at the bottom. Leave the teams a like if you enjoyed this game. The second set of games are up next. Subscribe to watch.